it's that time of week again, time to meal plan. So I just wanted to go over my meal plan, and then we'll do the grocery haul, and then tomorrow we'll do meal prep. So let's get started. Let me show you my meal plan for the week. Hey y'all, hey! Erica with Time to Shrink. How are y'all today? It is that time again, meal plan time. If you're new to me, I love graph paper. Love organization, I love planning, and this is my cheap and easy while super effective method for planning. So I keep this board over there. See if I can scroll in here so you can see. That's my organization station. So you can see where the spot's missing, where I keep this board, my meal planning board. This week I am making on Monday some beef stroganoff, a quick and easy beef stroganoff on the stovetop, and then just gonna serve it over zoodles. On Tuesday I am planning to do a chicken parm type casserole with some chicken that I have in the freezer that we had shredded in like an Instapot shredded chicken that I had made a long while ago and frozen when I didn't use. So I'm going to pull that out and use that and have some chicken Caesar salad with it. Not chicken Caesar salad, just Caesar salad. Wednesday's leftovers. Wednesday is church night for 2 of my kids, and they usually eat at church. So that just leaves my one that has soccer practice and my husband and I. So usually Wednesdays have become like a leftovers, just eat what's in the fridge type night. Thursday, sheet pan chicken with veggies. I'm trying to work on a series of sheet pan chicken recipes because I think they are one of the easiest and yummiest, and especially this time of year when, I don't know, just sounds good to me. So I'm trying to work up some different recipes to share with y'all. So that's one we're gonna have this week. Friday is gonna be originally planned. I have breaded pork chops and veggies. My husband had come home with a big huge chuck roast that he wanted me to cook this weekend. So since I'm going to be out of town and they are not, I think I may put that in the Instapot before I leave for them, and they can eat on it over the weekend. Saturday I have them doing pizza night out, and then Sunday an easy spaghetti marinara with a Caesar salad. Then what I have on my list of things to make on prep night are brown some beef, jalapeno stuffed sausages, instant pot marinara, kids lunches, egg cups, breakfast corn dogs, and praline fat bombs. I don't know that I'll get to all of that. It's a pretty busy week and I may not have time to do all of it, but we'll see what we get done. And then as far as filming, I just kind of have my list of things that I'm planning to do. Always my meal prep, always my meal plan grocery haul. Then that sheet pan chicken I'm going to video to add to my series, and then what I eat on the road because I'm going to be gone all weekend. So then I just have my grocery list down below. And I can already tell y'all that I went a little crazy at the grocery store. Usually I order my groceries online, and that is just way more cost effective for me. Just way better. This week I went with my husband. We went to 2 different stores, so I'll share those hauls with you here in a minute. But this list was nowhere close to what we ended up with. We came home with so much food. So much, y'all. We just got back from going to the grocery store. Y'all, I have not gone to the grocery store in so long because I order online, and I save so much more money when I order online, y'all, because I go and then I buy stuff that was not on my list. Do y'all do that? Okay, went to 2 places. We went to Aldi's and then we went to Lowe's, our local grocery store. So I'm going to show you the Lowe's first. I'm going to show you the Lowe's stuff first. I spent about $75 and some odd change at Lowe's. Here's our Lowe's stuff. Totally craving burgers, so I got some ground beef for steak burgers. This was buy one get one free and made it $4 for both of these. And then I got prime rib steak burgers, and these were buy one get one free too, so I got them both for $7. So this is a great deal. If I had more room in my freezer, I would have stocked up. I got a Jimmy Dean hot sausage for a jalapeno type thing that I'm working on that I will share with y'all if it works out. Jimmy Dean I've never seen this before, but Jimmy Dean bacon, I don't know if it's new or what, but it was on sale, so I got this for $4. Then I got a frozen spinach for some soup I'm gonna make. I got burger leaf so that we could use these for our buns for burgers. I got Brussels sprouts for a sheet pan chicken and jalapenos for the jalapeno thing I'm working on. Couple things for the kids is just some gluten-free pasta, gluten-free waffles, lots of yogurt, just plain Chobani yogurt. Some beef broth for the soup. I have not bought this for myself in a while, so I decided to go ahead and get it. So this is my favorite cold brew coffee. This is the best. If y'all haven't tried it, you need to run to the store. Like, it's that good. I've never made it myself that good. Like, I've never bought it or made it this good. It's phenomenal. This brand is my favorite almond milk. I love that it's carrageenan free. I think the carrageenan messes with my tummy, so this stuff's awesome. I usually just get the plain, but I got unsweet vanilla this time. These two together, so good. Got this as a treat for my son. It's just cold brew peppermint mocha, and then 2 eggnogs, one for my little man who has tummy issues and the other one just for the rest of my family. So I won't be having those, but these were just treats that I got for them. All right, so that's what we got at Lowe's. Again, about $75, and now I'm gonna go over Aldi's. All right, this is the Aldi's haul. This is a huge Aldi's haul for us, y'all. It is $130 worth of food, which I never spend that much at Aldi's. This is why I need to order things online and send people with a list, because my husband and I ended up picking up way too much stuff. I'm sure it will all get used, but it's more than I would have liked to spend. So let's get started. This is going to be dinner for tonight. You know how I like to do easy things on the nights that we are doing meal prep and everything, or grocery shopping. So some pulled pork and some pork carnitas. And actually, these are really not bad, y'all. Look at the stats. 5 carbs per serving. And then the pulled pork, I'm sure, is more because this one has the sauce on it. But my husband picked up one of each. Yeah, this is 23 carbs. So this would be a no for keto. But these are 5 per serving. So for something quick and easy and fast, not awesome, but not awful. Okay, got a chuck roast to make. I'm going to be out of town this coming weekend, and this is something big that I can make in the Instant Pot on Friday before I leave. And it'll be ready for them that evening, and they can eat on it over the weekend. Got 2 things of ground beef because their organic grass-fed ground beef is $3.99 a pound. Like, you just can't beat that. It's amazing, and it's good stuff. $85.15. Got 2 things of pork sausage. I love these prosciutto panino things. It's like a roll, and I just slice them into slices of the prosciutto and the cheese. These are so yummy. Get these for my son. 2 things of bacon. My daughter likes these trail mixes in her lunch boxes. This is taquitos and corn tortillas, so gluten-free and something they can eat out of the freezer this weekend while I'm gone. It's not something I generally would buy. Some shredded cheese for quesadillas for lunches and snacks and stuff. Some ham for lunches. Baby spinach and arugula is my favorite salad blend. Caesar salad is my kids' favorite salad blend, and I just take the croutons out and they work fine. Let's see. Raspberries and blueberries for the kids, and they look so good. Like, plump and juicy. They're all really, really nice. None of them looked bad. Like, I was really impressed with their fruit selection this week. Got a thing of eggs, and then a few things of frozen veggies, frozen rice cauliflower, frozen mixed veggies, some mixed nuts, some pork rinds to to mash up to use for breading for one of the things I'm making on one of my sheet pan chickens this week. Got a thing of kombucha. I have a vertical sleeve gastrectomy surgery coming up, as most of y'all know, and it's in a month. So I'm trying to really work on my gut bacteria, getting that good probiotics. So this does have 6 grams of sugar, but I'm only going to have a tiny bit, like a fourth a cup each day. And they say with kombucha that the kombucha eats up the sugar and you're not actually processing the sugar. I don't know that I believe that, but just for this month, I'm going to do a fourth a cup a day. So that's what that is. Some cuties. Got some gluten-free bread for my son to try. This used to be my favorite Aldi's bread. I don't eat it myself anymore now that I do keto, but the sprouted grains are a lot easier for your body to process and handle. So I got this for my other son. And my daughter requested croissant sandwiches for lunches. So we haven't done that not even once this whole school year. So I gave in and did that. So lots of really, really good keto stuff, and then some things that are not so keto that we got for the kids. Oh, and I left those sitting there but didn't say anything. This is my favorite wine from Aldi's, and I'm not drinking wine at all right now, but it'll be there in the wine cabinet if people come over or down the road. Show up, please show. There we go. Côte de Provence Rosé. This is my favorite, and they never have it. It's always sold out, always. So when they do have it, I usually buy up like 4 or so, but I just got 2 since I'm not drinking it all right now. But I know my mom likes it, so I'll have it here in case anybody wants it. So that was my big Aldi's haul and Lowe's haul for the week. Got lots of stuff to stuff this fridge and freezer with.